crazy, crazy, crazy weather we're having. And I was just notified a little bit ago we had a 3.8 earthquake. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think it's called snow. Oh, good thing I filled up all the water. That was real smart. We got a little egg. Little egg from the little black hen. Told you she would. Here, Frankie. Here. That's warm water, y'all. I need to get these little girls up. Shh. Go on. Time to go in. Go on. Shh. Come on. This is crazy. Is this crazy? Good morning, everybody. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think it's called snow. Yesterday was a beautiful sunny day, and we were out here sunbathing, and the day before was the rainstorm then the day before was the tornado, and looks like today is the blizzard. But yeah, we got snow. So before work, let's feed everybody, okay, I can't see with my hat on, but it's cold. It's about 28 degrees. I won't be letting nobody out because of it being so cold, but let's get to feeding everybody. Come on, guys. Y'all want to come out a minute? Oh, this is froze. Is your water froze? Oh my goodness. Froze water. Right? Frankie's water's froze too. Cold? Yes, we're all cold. Oh, it's cold. Come on. Oh, good thing I filled up all the water. That was real smart. Everything's froze. Show you how cold it is. Look. That's ice. Ice. Okay, the water is frozen here. Definitely gonna have to break this stuff. Okay, I don't know about coming out. Come on, girls, let's eat in here. We got some macaroni for you too. Come on, let's eat in here. Come on. Girls are up and watered. Want a drink of water? Here, Frank. Here. Here, Frankie. Here. That's warm water, y'all. Oh, I see what you want. Okay. Frankie's still drinking. Okay, let's get you some feed. Let's get some feed. Oh, we got a little egg. Little egg from the little black hen. Told you she would. Two eggs. Well, guys, it is, the snow is almost melted, but it is 22 degrees, so it is so cold. We're still getting a little flurries, but put everybody up early tonight, 4:30, so that way by 5 o'clock it'll be dark and everybody's done got food, hay, and warm water to drink. All right, guys, let's see what tomorrow holds for us. And I got my pockets full of eggs before they freeze. All right, let's go in. Well, the dogs didn't want to come out. It was too cold. They wouldn't come out. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Stay warm. Well, guys, I just want to say, crazy, crazy, crazy weather we're having. And I was just notified a little bit ago, we had a 3.8 earthquake. But yeah, I mean, okay, we've gone from blizzard to, downpour rain, tornado, to earthquake, to sunshine, 70 degrees in 1 week. 1 week. So, just amazing, amazing, strange weather we're having. All right, guys, everybody take care, and we'll see you tomorrow here at the farm. Bye-bye. You did a good job. 7 eggs today.